In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that I get asked a hell of a lot, and that is, can you actually make money online by doing nothing? Now, the short answer to that is yes, you absolutely can do. However, when I say doing nothing, you will have to set something up in the beginning to start earning essentially what is a passive income. Now, there's a number of ways that you can do this, and on this channel I've shared a few in the past. Now, previously I wrote this article over on the blog, and it was how you can make money online with automated websites, and this is a very simple passive income. Now, I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. Now, a few people have messaged me over in the Facebook group, and I've had a few comments on some of the videos I've been doing and saying, can you give us an update on this? Is this method still working? And how can we get involved? So today I'm going to show you how to set all of this up. I'll share with you proof that not only does this method work, that I'm doing this myself, but how you can also go ahead and get involved with this if you want to set up some of these automated websites, because it genuinely isn't difficult. It takes realistically about 20 to 30 minutes in the beginning. And once you've set that up, you can start earning money from affiliate marketing. You can earn money from Google AdSense. You can earn money selling these websites, and you can earn money in a number of ways. So the basic concept of this is we create a website, and when I say we create, we don't. We get this up and running. Then those automated websites, they have traffic, people landing on them. So once people landing on your website, you can send them to an affiliate offer, you can send them to a YouTube video, you can send them to a blog or website. Basically you can send that traffic anywhere you like. Now let me share with you some actual numbers so you can see people who are actually clicking on these different websites which I have up and running, and just so you can see some numbers basically to show you that this method does indeed work. Okay, so I'm over inside of Bitly, and this is where I track a lot of these clicks on here. Now you can see this was the first one that I set up in December, but I just want to bring it a little more up to date. So this one over here, this was a how to make money on YouTube. You can see I had 1,241 clicks on that link. I then switched that over to this here. So this was a free course on YouTube. I then switched over to this here. This is a free live masterclass, and you can see it's since it was created in May, we've had 1,675 clicks, and you can see every day we're getting clicks on here, which is sending the people, the traffic, over to a product over on Digistore. Now the way I'm tracking this is I'm sending it over to a split payment. Now we see all of the clicks on here, and I recently had a payment from one of these. So if I go into this over here, you can see this is one of the split payments for this. So this is $1,000 product. Now I can't remember, I think it's just short of $500 for that. And if someone purchases it via my link over here, this Bitly link, and they go with the split payment plan, then obviously I earn affiliate commissions instead of a lump sum. I earn, in 3 different days. So you can see down here, 3 different payments. Now you can see down here, this come through on the 15th of September. Now if I go back over here onto Bitly, let's just go to the 15th of September, you can see we had on that day, we had 22 clicks on that day, and that resulted in a payment over here. So, this is going to pay this amount of money, every month for the next 3 months. So that's one platform where I'm earning money with this software. Another platform is this one over here. I'll just show you this one as well. If I come down, where's it gone? This one here. See this one? Since I created this in February, the 25th of February, we've had 2,492 clicks. And all of this traffic here, I'm sending them over to a ClickBank product. So I'll show you the ClickBank product now, which is, this one over here. So literally, they land on here, and it's very simple, isn't it? Men click here, women click here. Depending on whichever one they click on, it will give them a different sales page. But ultimately, they'll click on one of there. It goes through to here where we have got a video on here, and then we've got, all of this, sales speech essentially on here. And anyone goes down clicks on here, then I earn money. Now, in terms of using this over here, Bitly, you know, I can see all of the clicks that it's showing on here. And then if I go into ClickBank over here, you can see in the last 14 days, this product here, you can see, I can see the number of hops or the number of people who are also landing inside of my ClickBank account. So I can track it this way. And look, this is just a couple of different products which I'm promoting inside of here. I have quite a few more as well. So as we can see, this product and software, it works 100%, obviously, because I'm using it. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how we can also set this all up. So as you saw in the video there, these websites that I have, they're still generating traffic for me every single day. They're bringing in clicks, and you know, those clicks, I'm sending them to different affiliate products. I'm also earning money from Google AdSense and a number of other ways. Now, for this all to work, let me walk you through this process because it's genuinely simple. So if I come over here, I'm using a piece of software, and I've got this software myself previously. And how this works is, if I scroll down here, let's just go by all of this. It's broken down into 3 steps, and it genuinely is 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you activate your website. Step 2 is you pick videos, and we'll come back to that in a second. And step 3 is you monetize your site. Now, you can monetize it, as I've mentioned, in a number of ways. But how this software works is, it will go onto, look, you can actually profit from hobbies and interests that work in any niche. Now, this software, it will go onto YouTube and import videos in any category or any niche, and it will turn it into a website for you. Now, you might be thinking, do you have to have your own YouTube channel for this to work? You absolutely don't. So you can turn somebody else's entire YouTube tech channel into your own monetized authority technology vlog. So, hell of a mouthful, isn't it? But basically, you can see these are the videos over on YouTube, and this is what it looks like once the software imports that into a website. If I scroll down here, look, you can see it says you can turn your own YouTube channel into your own affiliate income site. Scroll down here, you can use this with local clients, and basically you can use this software for anything. It goes over rankings in Google and lots more on here. But why I like this, I use this, and I also recommend it, is look, you don't need any campaigns, no social media, no email list. It's a real passive income that is easy to set up, and you don't have to create content. You don't need to do all of the usual things that you associate with making money online. And if we scroll further on the page here, there's more information on here. This is Chris, the creator of the software, and it's just going over more points about this. But basically, inside of this software, we get a premium video WordPress theme, which allows you, this is the cool part, to create unlimited done-for-you niche video sites from any YouTube video, playlist, or channel. It's automated updating, which basically means it constantly adds new videos and content to your website, and you don't have to do anything. And you can earn money in a number of ways. You can monetize these sites with affiliate offers, CPA offers, advertisements, your own products, Amazon, and lots more. Now, let me give you an example of what one of these websites looks like. So here is one, and you can see this one is called Gardening Tricks Hub. So if I scroll down here, you can see we have an Amazon ad up here. If I scroll further on the page here, we've got another ad here. This is a Google ad. Come down here, Amazon, and lots more. And look, how to start a flower garden in your front yard. We've got different categories, recent posts, and lots more. So this is how these websites look. I'll share with you another one. I'll share with you one of mine. So we'll go to learninganewway.com. Come over here to this one. This is the correct one. So if I come over here, this is one of my automated websites. You can see on here we have got an affiliate offer up here, affiliate offer down here. Scroll down, we have got all of these different videos in different categories. So if we scroll up to the top, we have got these different ones, videos, look, art, educational. So if we go into any one of these, click on the art tab, you see it brings up all of these videos over from YouTube. Now if I click on here inside of an article, you can also include, as if I scroll down here, you can see we can also include affiliate links here, here, and here. We can also bring in all of the tags from the YouTube video. You can even actually spin content inside of here. And what that basically means is you can have a description written out in here for you using some different article spinners. That's also included with the actual product. So these are a couple of examples of these niche these websites which are automated for you. Okay, now over on this one here, I'm automating it, but I'm also creating content on here as well. So like this one here is an actual article, because this one in time I'd like this to become, you know, a bit of an authority in the home learning, home education. So that's two different examples for you. So if we come back over here, so if I come onto here, I just want to share another opportunity with you. So you can earn money from affiliate offers and all of the different things we've spoken about. If I come over here, I just want to show you this. So this is on the website called flipper.com. Now on here, I've just typed in, we'll scroll up to the top, I typed in automate, in fact I'll do it again so you can see this, automated websites, because with the software it allows you to create unlimited websites and blogs and other things. So you literally set it up, it runs completely on autopilot, and then you can actually go ahead and flip it, i.e. sell that website on a platform like Flipper. So if I scroll down here, look, what is this? ReadyWebsitesBank.com. This is an automated and preloaded ready-made premium website, and someone's selling this for $230. And if you scroll down here, people love these websites. Look at this one here, Gardening Tools website. This is a gardening tools, funnily enough, it's a gardening tools Amazon affiliate products website, and it's automated. And in this example, they're asking for $89. So if we go into here, we'll just look at this one really quickly, and we'll scroll down. Look, this has been specially, I can't even speak today, I apologise. This has been specially designed for newbies. Great opportunity to make money from Google AdSense, Amazon, ClickBank. There's no maintenance and experience required, and they're asking $89 for this. If I scroll down here, you can see this person here has made what, 422 sales with a total combined of $36,000. You can find lots of these websites over on Flipper where people are selling them. I also found this seller on Flipper as well. This one here, this person is selling 5 websites, and you can see they're charging $75.94 for this one, $75 and $75. Now all of these are literally using the software. If I go into this careertrickspots.com, we'll come in here, you can see 15 hours left, starting price of $75. The site is only a month old, but look, it's automated, 100% automated career advice site. Scroll further on the page here, it tells you a little bit about this, but basically all of the same information. And if we scroll down, we can see this seller, 171 transactions totaling $14,487. It's not bad going considering these websites, like let's go and have a look at this one over here, they literally take less than 30 minutes to set up. And all they're doing here is, look, these here are all videos from YouTube. So they're selling it, and they've also got a link here, look, an Amazon link on here. But basically, they spend, as I've mentioned, about 30 minutes setting these up. Look, if I go into one, I'll just show you. Click on here. Go into here, look. We have got the video, YouTube video, and that's it. That is basically it. And they're selling it for $75. And as we've seen here, they've made over 14 grand using this method. Now, the software, this is what it looks like on the inside. So you get the software, but it also comes with training here. So Chris, the owner, takes you through, you know, how to set this up. Look, examples and ways to make money with this. It goes over the website, importing the theme, all of this. So basically, you start at the top, work your way down to the bottom. By the end of it, you're done. Your website will be done. It'll be up and running. More importantly, it will all be automated. So once you've set it up, it's 100%, you know, hands off. You don't need to touch it again. It'll just run on complete autopilot. Now, if I come back over here, I'll drop a link to this below for you. When this actually came out, I went ahead and purchased this product myself. I did, from memory, I think it was a 3-month test on this. And sorry, let me just get rid of that. And I literally, I shared this over on my blog. I walked through the inside of the actual software. I showed you how to set this up, and I also gave away some bonuses. So if you do go ahead and purchase this using the link, which will take you over to this page, and if you click buy now, you will also get all of the bonuses on here. So I've got on there the social media robots, I've got social snip, what's the other one? We've got blogging for profits. We've got my own affiliate spreadsheet. So in there's 120 different high paying and recurring affiliate programs. And then I've also included a walkthrough video of how to set up your website using different affiliate programs. We've got an automation bonus in there. So this one here, look, how to do massive video training. We've got 2 of these. And the cool thing about this thing is it comes with a money back guarantee. So if you don't like this for whatever reason, you can go ahead and get a refund within 30 days. Now, getting all of these bonuses here, what I've mentioned is when you purchase the product inside of Warrior Plus, you'll see a box that says access your purchase or access affiliate bonus. Just click on that blue bonus and you will get all of those products instantly. So if I come over here, I'll show you this over inside of Warrior Plus. So scroll down here so you can see I actually did purchase this back in October, but I just want to show you an example of the bonus. So if you buy this using the link down below, it'll say this: access your purchase, access affiliate bonus. You click on there, you'll get access to all of the bonuses that I'm giving away with this over here. But look, overall, is it simple? Yes. Is it easy? Absolutely. There's a number of ways that you can make money with this. I've now had these up and running for over a year, and I'm adding more different, more websites to it as and when I get the time. So if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. But look, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.